Here I have an example to take the course evaluation. You go to your My Lone Star account, you put your username, your password, and then when you got your main screen, here you have your tag for student, the red one, and then you have here manage classes, so pick this one, and then you have here your course evaluations is the last one, as you see here, course evaluations. You pick this one, and then you have your courses to evaluate. Your course should be biology 2402, for example, and it should be my name in this area. Then you pick here evaluate, and then you go through all the questions you have there, and you pick the answer, be fair with that. And at the end, when you have this same frame, you're gonna see here completed, and you have to take a capture of this one, and that's it.